Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete instabridge app if not showing uninstall option. So if you use this application, the instabridge, you want to uninstall this app because this app keep annoyed, because this app keep asking you to become your default launcher like this, set as default. So you can uninstall this app. If you cannot find this uninstall option on your app, you can just directly go to the Play Store. You can tap on Play Store and open the instabridge app via Play Store. Just type instabridge here and you can uninstall from this Play Store. And also there is another way. You can go to manage your app. Just tap on your profile, go to manage app and devices, tap manage here and sort by name. Try to search instabridge in I letter, this one, instabridge Wi-Fi map. You can check button and tap this trust icon. So please ready to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.